Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sapna here. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make these kind of resin coasters. Please subscribe to my channel. Here I'm using Ipocart resin, which is 3:1 ratio. You need to mix 3 parts of resin with 1 part of hardener. For example, if you're using 30 grams of resin, then you need to add 10 grams of hardener and mix well. Use a kitchen scale to measure it. This is the clear resin. Pour the resin into the silicone molds. Pour some resin in a small cup and then add some glitters to it. I got these glitters from Itsy Bitsy store. Add the glitters and mix well. Before you proceed, ensure that the resin sits for at least 3 to 4 hours. After about 3 to 4 hours, you can add the glitters as shown. Add the glitters as per your choice. I have added the glitters only in the corners. Repeat the process for all the 3 molds. Once you're done, it will look like this. Take some clear resin in a small cup and then add the pigments. This is metallic purple color, so add at least 4 to 5 drops of it. I really love this color, please give it a try. Mix the resin and the pigments well. Next, I am using lemon mint pigment. Mix the resin and lemon mint pigment well. Finally, I am using Kohinoor gold pigment. Take the purple pigment mixed with resin and design as per your choice. The consistency of the resin has to be thick, so as I mentioned earlier, it has to sit for at least 4 to 5 hours. Make the design as per your choice. It does not have to be perfect, you can do some random designs. Use all the 3 colors to make the design. Repeat the process for all the 3 molds. Allow it to completely dry for 24 hours. After 24 hours, you can demold it. This is how it looks after demolding. Take a waterproof sandpaper, then add water to it. The coasters to and fro as shown. Repeat this on both the sides. After sanding, apply a coat of clear resin. Ensure that the resin does not drip off. Do this process very carefully. This is how it looks after you apply a coat of clear resin. If you like my videos, please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe.